So, introduce yourself. Have you been shocked? Maybe you are, because it is the most frequently asked Viva question, and most of us become nervous while answering this question, and we don't know how to answer introduce yourself in a proper way. So by the end of the video, we are going to learn about how to introduce ourselves in a proper way. So let's get into the video and watch the video till the end. First of all, we have divided our answer into 5 parts. The first thing is Thanksgiving and your name and where are you from and a little bit information about your family. And then you should go to your educational backgrounds. After education, we suggest you to talk about your interests and then mention about your extracurricular activities, and in the 5th part, you should mention your current status. Now, let's discuss further about each of the points so that you may learn how to elaborate them. Let's start with the first point. You should start with Thanksgiving and you should mention your name and where do you from, and mention little bit about your family members, your parents or your brothers and sisters. But remember, don't mention elaborately about your family. In case of education, you can start with your latest educational qualification. For example, your post-graduation, your graduation, and your school and college. And then you can mention your interest or your hobby. Your hobby may be reading books, playing cricket, or any other sport, or anything you like most. But remember, your interest should be relevant to the job for which you are giving interview. And then you should mention your extracurricular activities. But remember, you should mention those extracurricular activities which are mostly relevant to the job for which you are giving interview. You can mention your debating activities, or you can mention any other extracurricular activities, social activities, etc. And last but not the least is your present status. If you are in any job or if you are doing anything, mention in your Viva. So that's all for today. If you have any query, mention in the comment box and give a thumbs up to this video.